Exocrine pancreatic insufficiency, or EPI, is capable of causing a variety of digestive problems. Once the cause of that was addressed, like for example, I mentioned before, things like IBS and other digestive symptoms can cause low enzyme production. Once the cause of that was addressed and they got better, they were able to recover their own enzyme production. At the IBS Treatment Center, we test people for pancreatic insufficiency, and more importantly, we also test them for and look for and address all of the causes of the symptoms of abdominal pain and diarrhea and gas and constipation and bloating that aren't being evaluated by your gastroenterologist, because there is always a cause and a reason for these symptoms. They don't just happen accidentally, and our job is to help you find out why you're having them. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day. For more, follow us on social media and visit our website.